Okay, everyone, tonight I am going to tell you guys about why you should never ever mess with light switches at somebody else's house, especially in a public building, and you will be kicked out of the party people are hosting if you do this. That is not okay at all. Remember, if you cut the power off, nothing will work anymore. Especially do not do this in a public building. These are not to be messed around with. Unless it's in your own house. Now, if this is your own house, you can. But if this is somebody else's house, no, 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 no. You cannot mess with that at all. Also, with the fixtures themselves, never ever take them off the ceiling. Never ever take anything out of them. Never ever take the wires off. Leave them the way they are. Also, with lamps, never ever play with the switch, never ever take the lampshade out, and never ever take the bulb out. Leave them the way they are. Especially in my house. If you visit my house, do not mess with that, or else you will be kicked out of my house and you will never be invited back to my house. So do not mess with that if you come into my house. Bye.